Now we have the annual open house where people from the country, people from the region are coming to get a first-hand experience of what we offer in terms of campus life, in terms of programs available, to meet with current students and also to participate in the lectures of our professors. Also the parents are welcome to be here, to be informed of where their kids want to study.
I enjoyed everything about the campus. First of all, the lectures, the opening. You're given information that you don't know, and you can't know it without being here.
I like the rooms, and the lectures of the alumni inspire me.
I like the nature, I like the building, and I like the people here.
Well, I really love the courses. I also like the teachers and the people here, and I also like the campus.
The people were amazing.
In Romania we do not have such university, so it is something new, not only for Bulgaria but for Southern Europe.
I've met with students who came to our open house before, like the previous year. Now they're applicants, and they said that it was really important for them when they came here to experience all of this and to make up their own minds of what place is AUBG and is it the place for them.
I love to make friends, so I think that this is really good to have an opportunity to meet other people. So I think this campus life and everything is great, and personally I would love to study here.
I met a lot of students here that are from the different parts from the world, and it was like a beautiful experience.
You have this diversity here, which is absolutely great, and I really appreciate that. I would like to learn a word from every person that is here from their native language.
It looks so much fun, so many people, so many cultures. You're part of a big community that lets you be yourself and find yourself. It's really cool.
Here you are in different planet, in different world, and I like being here. It's really good.
This is my first time coming here in AUBG, so I'm really excited because I really love this place. It's very cheerful and the energy is just amazing. They're like-minded individuals like myself, and they want better things for themselves. When the energy is here, you have the positive vibes which just promote the self-growth and make it much more enjoyable to study here.